Why? Why?
Weather message. The National Weather Service has issued severe
Jesus
thunderstorm
H.
watch number 495, effective until 2 This watch
Here we
includes
go with
all
this
unusual
again.
location, County of Ohio to Ripley, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For rest of tonight, mainly clear. Warm with lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Monday, partly cloudy. Unseasonably warm. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Monday night, partly cloudy. Warm with lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Tuesday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Warm with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. For Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Warm with lows in the upper 60s.
This is the shit I have to deal with when PBZ wakes me up just when I go to bed at 10:30, just like they are right now.